Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. I made a big breakfast this morning. Eggs, toast, and orange juice. I feel full and happy. And you, Jake?
I am okay, but I have a question for you, Judy.
Of course. What is your question?
Someone told me that English has 12 tenses. 12. Is that true?
Well, yes, English does have 12 tenses.
12. That is a big number. How can I learn 12 tenses? I will be studying for years.
Jake, I have good news for you.
Good news. Please tell me.
You do not need 12 tenses. Not now, not for a long time. For everyday speaking, for talking to friends, ordering food, telling stories, you only need 3.
3? Only 3 tenses?
Only 3. 3 tenses will let you talk about anything. Your morning, your weekend, your plans for tomorrow. 3 tenses cover your whole life.
That sounds too good to be true.
It is true, and that is our topic today.
Oh, which 3 tenses?
Today, we will learn the 3 tenses you need to start speaking English. I call them the present, the past, and the future. 3 tenses, 3 time zones. That's all you need.
3 time zones. I like that. Let's learn them.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Before we begin, I want to explain something. A tense is just a way to show time. When did something happen? Is it now? Was it before? Will it be later? The tense tells the listener when.
So a tense is like a timestamp. It marks the time.
Yes. Every time you speak, you are in one of 3 time zones. Now, before, or later. And today, we will learn 1 tense for each time zone. Ready?
Ready. Time zone number 1.
Tense number 1, the simple present. I call it the everyday tense.
The everyday tense. Why that name?
Because we use this tense for things that happen every day, every week, every morning. Habits, routines, things that are always true.
Like, I drink coffee every morning.
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. That is simple present. It's not about right now, it's about what you do again and again, your habits.
What about she works at a hospital?
Perfect. She works at a hospital. That's her job. It's true every day, not just today. Simple present.
And it rains a lot in London.
Great example. That's a fact. It's always true. Simple present.
So habits, routines, and facts, things that are always true.
Exactly. Now, here's the most important rule. For I, you, we, and they, the verb stays simple. I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat.
Easy. The verb does not change.
But for he, she, and it, we add s. He eats, she eats, it rains.
He eats, she works, it rains. Add s.
Yes, that little s is the only rule you need for now.
Let me try a few sentences. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I watch TV. I go to bed.
Jake, you just told me your whole day in simple present. 6 sentences.
That was easy. 6 sentences about my life.
See? 1 tense and you can describe your entire routine. That's the power of simple present, the everyday tense.
I like it.
Now, when someone asks you, what do you do? They want simple present. Not today, not yesterday. They want your routine, your habit, your life.
What do you do? I work at an office. I teach English. I study cooking. All simple present.
Perfect. And here's one more useful thing. We also use simple present for facts, things that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees. Cats sleep a lot.
Cats sleep a lot. That is very true. My cat sleeps all day.
All cats do. So, habits, routines, and facts. That's simple present.
I love it. Simple and useful.
You already use this tense all the time. You just did not know its name. Tense number 2, the simple past. I call it the yesterday tense.
The yesterday tense, for things that already happened.
Yes, things that are finished, done, over. Yesterday, last week, last year, 2 minutes ago. If it is finished, use simple past.
So I use it to tell stories?
Exactly. Stories, memories, things that happened. I went to Paris last summer. She called me yesterday. We had a great time.
I wish I went to Paris, but okay, how do I make it?
For most verbs, you add ed at the end. Walk becomes walked. Cook becomes cooked. Watch becomes watched.
Walked, cooked, watched. Just add ed. That is simple.
It is, but some verbs are different. We call them irregular verbs. They change in a special way.
Oh no, irregular.
Do not worry. There are only a few important ones. Let me give you the most common ones. Go becomes went.
Go, went. I went to the store.
Eat becomes ate. A-T-E.
Eat, ate. I ate pizza last night.
Have becomes had.
Have, had. I had a good day.
See becomes saw.
See, saw. I saw a movie.
Come becomes came.
Come, came. She came to my house.
Make becomes made.
Make, made. I made a mistake.
You did not make a mistake. You made a perfect sentence.
Wait, did. You just said you did not. Is did also simple past?
Yes, do becomes did. Did is the past of do, and we use did to make questions about the past. Did you eat breakfast? Did you sleep well?
We learned this in a past episode, do, does, and did.
Exactly. Now here's the best part. After did, the verb stays simple. Did you go? Not did you went.
Right. Did does the past tense job. The other verb can relax.
You remembered. Now let me ask you, can you tell me about your yesterday using simple past?
Let me try. Yesterday, I woke up late, I made coffee, I went to the park, I walked for 30 minutes, I came home, I ate lunch, I watched a movie, I went to bed early.
Jake, 8 sentences, all simple past. You just told me your whole yesterday.
8 sentences. That is my whole day in the past.
1 tense and you can tell any story, any memory, any experience. That is the power of simple past.
The everyday tense for now, the yesterday tense for before, 2 down, 1 to go.
Tense number 3, the simple future. I call it the tomorrow tense.
The tomorrow tense for things that will happen?
Yes, plans, dreams, predictions, anything that has not happened yet. Tomorrow, next week, next year, someday.
How do I make it?
2 ways. The first way is very easy. Just add will before the verb. I will eat. She will come. It will rain.
I will eat. She will come. It will rain. Just add will. That is the easiest rule so far.
It is, and will works for everyone. I will, you will, he will, she will, we will, they will. No changes, no S, no ED, just will plus the verb.
No changes at all. I love this tense.
There's also a short form. Instead of I will, people often say I'll. I''LL. I'll eat. She'll come. They'll be here soon.
I'll eat. She'll come. Shorter and faster.
The second way to talk about the future is going to. I am going to cook dinner. She is going to visit her mother. We are going to travel.
We learned going to in an earlier episode too.
Yes, going to is for plans you already decided. Will can be for plans, predictions, or quick decisions.
So, I will help you is a quick decision. Right now I decide. I am going to visit Paris is a plan I decided before.
That's a great way to think about it. But honestly, for beginners, you can use either one. People will understand you.
Good. So I can say, I will help you, or I am going to help you. Both are okay?
Both are okay. People will understand you. Don't worry about the difference too much right now. Just use one and start speaking.
Let me talk about my tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I'm going to go to the gym. I will eat a healthy breakfast. I am going to study English for 1 hour, and I will watch a movie in the evening.
5 sentences about tomorrow. Simple future. You can plan your whole week with this tense.
Next weekend, I will visit my parents. We are going to cook dinner together.
Beautiful. See, you can talk about tomorrow, next week, next year, any time in the future.
The tomorrow tense. Easy and useful.
Okay, Jake. Now I want you to do something special. We learned 3 tenses. The everyday tense for now, the yesterday tense for before, the tomorrow tense for later. Can you use all 3 tenses together? Tell me about one topic, coffee, in all 3 time zones.
Coffee. Okay, let me try.
Go ahead.
Simple present. I drink coffee every morning. I like it with milk. Simple past. Yesterday, I went to a new cafe. I tried their special coffee. It was amazing. Simple future. Tomorrow, I will go back to that cafe. I'm going to try their iced coffee.
Jake, that was beautiful. 3 tenses, 3 time zones, 1 topic. And I understood everything about your coffee life.
My coffee life. Past, present, and future. All about coffee.
And that is the point. With these 3 tenses, you can talk about anything. Your job, your family, your hobbies, your food, your weekend.
3 tenses cover my whole life.
They do. And here's a tip for our listeners. If you are just starting, learn them in this order. First, simple present. It is the easiest and you use it every day. Second, simple past, so you can tell stories about yesterday. Third, simple future, so you can talk about your plans.
Present, past, future. 1, 2, 3.
And do not worry about the other tenses. They can wait. These 3 are enough to start real conversations.
What about the other tenses? Will we learn them?
Yes, in a future episode, we will learn 2 more tenses, 2 special tenses that will make your English sound even more natural. But for now, these 3 are your best friends.
3 best friends. I like that.
And here's one more tip. When you practice, try this exercise. Think of one topic, like food, or your family, or your job. Then say 1 sentence in each tense.
Like we did with coffee?
Yes, simple present, I love my family. Simple past, we visited my grandmother last Sunday. Simple future, we will have a big dinner next month.
1 topic, 3 tenses, 3 sentences. That's a great exercise.
You can do it every day. Pick a new topic each time. In 1 week, you will feel much more confident.
I will try it tonight. My topic will be pizza.
Of course, pizza.
Simple present. I eat pizza every Friday. Simple past. Last Friday, I ate a very big pizza. Simple future. Next Friday, I will try a new pizza place.
That is perfect, Jake. 3 sentences, 3 tenses, all about pizza.
Learning English is delicious.
And remember, you do not need to be perfect. Use these 3 tenses. Make mistakes. Keep talking. That's how you get better.
Messy English is better than no English.
You remembered that from our last episode.
I will never forget it.
And you just used simple future. I will never forget it. See? You're already doing it. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about the 3 tenses you need to start speaking English.
Yes, tense 1 is simple present, the everyday tense, for habits, routines, and facts. I eat, she works, it rains.
Good. And tense 2 is simple past, the yesterday tense for finished actions. I ate, she worked, it rained.
Tense 3 is simple future, the tomorrow tense, for plans. I will eat, she will work, I am going to travel.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, can you write 3 sentences about your day? 1 in simple present, 1 in simple past, and 1 in simple future. For example, I drink tea every morning. Yesterday, I drank green tea. Tomorrow, I will try black tea.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.